What's that, Drew? Hi. Can you show me how you walk? What's that? Is that a door? Door? Door, yeah. Can you come here and see Mommy? Drew, come to Mama. Hi, Daphne. Dad? Is Dad coming home? Dad? Dad? Who's there? Move this way. Who's there?
Hi, bud. Hi. Hi. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Drew. Do you remember me?
Yeah, he was just saying Dad.
Dad. Oh,
Look at, he walks on it.
Yeah. Should I shut the door? Shut the door. Door. Door shut. Where are these from?
Those are the new diapers that I ordered.
Door shut. Hi. Hi. Oh, Daphne wants to hear it too. Hi, should we bring that over to Grandma and Grandpa's? Oh, silly puppy. Silly puppy. Can you come to Daddy? Drew.
I think the dirty suitcase is more interesting.
Can you come to Dad?
Suitcase. He walked on the thing for a while before I got the camera.
Can you come to Dad? That's the suitcase. Oh, that's Dad's hat. That's icky.